Hi guys, so I'm here with Clivey, and if you're new to my channel, Clivey is my cat, not my husband like a lot of people think. So this is Clivey. Hi! And as you can see, he's very big and he doesn't fit on my desk. Well, he does, but he takes up a lot of it. Anyway, Clivey is here because, move over Clivey. He's so smoochy, he won't stop kissing everything. Clivey has his very first Happy Mail. Oh, he's off wandering. Oh no, wait, he's gonna walk on my painting stuff. Come here, get off that. Take your baby. No, you don't. I've got some little painty tags drying and he was about to jump up on my little painty table. Anyway, Clivey, don't knock the camera over, go on this side. He's too excited because this is my new craft room and he doesn't come in here often because it's out in the garage and it's separate to the main house, whereas my old craft room was just in one of the upstairs bedrooms. So he's walking around kissing everything. Okay, so he's hopped down. Clivey, I'm going to open your box for you. So this is from lovely Sue Freeman. And I do know what it was because she told me. And this box is huge. And I'm so excited to see it. Okay, I haven't looked yet. I've just slit the box open. Ooh. Sue made Clivey a blanket. Oh, Sue, this is so gorgeous. Wow, how long did this take you? Oh, wow, this is so big and heavy. Oh my gosh. I don't want to waste this on Clivey. Clivey, I'm going to steal this off you. No, I will let Clivey have his blanket. Oh, wow, Sue, this is like... Oh my gosh, I was thinking when you said you were making Clive a blanket, I was thinking it would be this like little crocheted mat. Oh, okay, there's a little peewee bird at my back door because I've got a sliding glass door on the back of the garage. And Clivey's just spotted him walking around out there. Now he's scratching to go out. Oh, wow, this is so cool. It's huge. Wow, Sue, I love this. This is so, so cool. I wish I could crochet like this. And look at the edges. Okay, that is way cool. And it is cooling down a bit now. The past few nights have been a bit cool. And so Clivey's going to love this. Let me go and grab him and put him on it. Clivey. Look at your blankie. Now I know Sue's got puppies. Aww. There you go, Sue. Look, he loves his blankie, but he's too excited about that peewee out the back. It's chirping like crazy. Oh, thank you, Sue. This is like way too much work, honestly. You have spoiled me. And now you've spoiled Clivey. This is so awesome. I've always said you should have a YouTube channel because you could teach us how to do all this sort of stuff. It's so cool. I love it. Thank you. It's so soft. It's so big. Okay, I just want to open it up and see how huge it is. Oh, wow, it's massive. Okay, I was talking with my back to the camera, but it's massive. It's so cool. It's like big enough to fit like a queen size bed, honestly. It's so heavy. Oh, well, thank you very much, Sue. I love, love, love it. And I'm actually going to bring Clivey into my craft room a lot more to get used to it. He used to, he lived in my craft room. I couldn't even walk in there without him following. And I had my main desk and there was a little side table that he used to sit on while I worked in my room. And he'd sit there and lay in the sun. Because there was a window and he'd look out the window and watch the birds and everything like that. But since I moved from the house into the garage, yeah, he hasn't really been in here a lot. At first I thought he didn't like the wooden floorboards, but I don't know. I think it's just because it's separate to the house and he's a house kitty cat. He does go out in the backyard, but he never, ever, ever goes over the fence or in the front of the house. He just stays in our yard. So I think it's something different for him. And I need to get him used to my new craft room because I do miss coming in here and not having him knock everything over. And, you know, he used to put his paws in my paint water and knock the brushes out and there'd be water all over my desk and everything. And I do miss having him in here. So I might try bringing him in more and try and get him used to the new craft room. I've still got some stuff in my old craft room, which was just my daughter's old bedroom before she moved out. And I've still got some stuff in there and he still actually goes in there through the day and he sleeps in the same spot he used to because the table is still in that room. And he still sleeps in the same spot that he used to, but I'm going to set up a little bed in here and hopefully I can coax him into my new room now. Anyway, thank you, Sue. It's gorgeous. I know Clivey will love this in winter because he used to actually have one that my grandmother had made. She did like the granny squares and she had made it just as a little throw, you know, you put on your lap on the lounge. And he claimed that. But over the years, after getting washed so many times and that, it kind of fell apart and died. So I know he will love, love, love this. But thank you. This must have taken you ages. My gosh, I remember when I crocheted something or attempted to, it just took forever. And thank you. I'm so grateful. I just love it. I think it's so cool. It's kind of... I feel like it's too good for a kitty cat. But my Clive is my baby, so he does get spoiled. But thank you. I love, love, love it. It's beautiful. And when Clivey goes to bed tonight on it, I will send you a picture, Sue, so you know that I haven't stolen it off him. Although I really want to because it's so nice. Thank you, thank you. And yeah, I hope to be showing you Clivey a little bit more. Thanks for watching. Bye. Come and say bye-bye, Clivey. Come here. You are so cute. Say bye-bye, Sue. Oh, he's getting stuck on my shirt. You can't see his little face, but he's cute. He's got like a little lion nose and he's so meaty. So bye-bye, can you look up? Anyway, if you go to my community tab on my channel, up the top you see like playlist videos, whatever. There's one called community. I usually post pictures of Clivey up there. Say bye, Sue. Thank you. Don't knock the camera. Okay, bye. Thank you.